Crash course on Peru, renowned for Machu Picchu, the Sacred Valley, and the Amazon jungle. Peru, a land of ancient civilizations and breathtaking landscapes, holds a special place in the hearts of travelers seeking adventure, history, and natural wonders. In this crash course, we will explore the enchanting highlights of Peru, share captivating stories and examples, list and describe the top 12 attractions that make Peru a must-visit destination, and conclude with a poetic ode and a melodic song dedicated to the beauty of Peru. Peru is best known for its iconic archaeological site of Machu Picchu. This ancient Incan city, perched high in the Andes Mountains, captivates visitors with its mystical aura and awe-inspiring beauty. The story of Machu Picchu is shrouded in mystery, as it remained hidden from the outside world for centuries until its rediscovery in 1911. Today, it stands as a testament to the advanced engineering and ingenuity of the Incan civilization. The Sacred Valley of the Incas is another remarkable destination in Peru. This fertile valley stretches along the Urubamba River and is dotted with ancient ruins, charming villages, and terraced agricultural fields. One intriguing story is the significance of Pisac, a small town in the Sacred Valley known for its impressive Incan ruins. Legend has it that Pisac was once a sacred gathering place for the Incas, where they held ceremonial rituals and celebrated the cycles of the sun and moon. Beyond the Andes, Peru boasts the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. Exploring the Amazon jungle offers an opportunity to connect with nature in its purest form. From vibrant flora and fauna to indigenous communities preserving their ancestral traditions, the Amazon provides a mesmerizing glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. One fascinating example is the story of the Harakpet people, an indigenous group living in the Peruvian Amazon. Their deep connection with the land and their sustainable way of life showcase the harmony between humans and nature. Now, let's embark on a journey to discover the top 12 attractions in Peru. 1. Machu Picchu. This UNESCO World Heritage Site needs no introduction. Marvel at the ancient ruins, terraces, and breathtaking vistas that surround this legendary Incan citadel. 2. Cusco, the historic capital of the Inca Empire. Cusco is a charming city filled with colonial architecture, vibrant markets, and a fascinating blend of indigenous and Spanish influences. 3. Sacred Valley of the Incas. Explore the picturesque valley, visit the impressive ruins of Pisac and Ollantaytambo, and immerse yourself in the rich Incan heritage. 4. Nazca Lines. These mysterious geoglyphs etched into the desert floor are best appreciated from the air. The colossal drawings depict various animals and shapes, leaving archaeologists and visitors in awe. 5. Amazon Rainforest. Venture into the vast and biodiverse Amazon jungle, where you can encounter wildlife, discover indigenous communities, and experience the wonders of this vibrant ecosystem. 6. Lake Titicaca. Straddling the border of Peru and Bolivia, Lake Titicaca is the highest navigable lake in the world. Visit the floating Uroche Islands and Tequila Island to learn about the ancient cultures that call this place home. 7. Colca Canyon. Twice as deep as the Grand Canyon, Colca Canyon offers breathtaking views, hiking trails, and the opportunity to spot Andean condors soaring through the sky. 8. Lima. Peru's vibrant capital city is a bustling metropolis with a rich culinary scene, historical sites such as the Plaza de Armas, and world-class museums showcasing Peru's history and art. 9. Huacachina. This oasis town surrounded by towering sand dunes offers exhilarating adventures like dune buggy rides and sandboarding, making it a haven for adrenaline junkies. 10. Arequipa. Known as the White City, due to its stunning colonial architecture made of white volcanic stone, Arequipa is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a beautiful historic center and the majestic Santa Catalina Monastery. 11. Paracas National Reserve. Explore the dramatic coastal landscapes, encounter diverse marine life, and visit the Ballastas Islands, often referred to as the poor man's Galapagos. 12. Chan Chan. Located near Trujillo, Chan Chan was once the largest adobe city in the world and served as the capital of the ancient Chimu civilization. Discover its intricate mud brick architecture and intricate designs. In summary, Peru beckons travelers with its iconic archaeological wonder of Machu Picchu, the mystical allure of the Sacred Valley, and the untamed beauty of the Amazon jungle. From the enchanting tales of ancient civilizations to the breathtaking landscapes that span from the high mountains to the lush rainforest, Peru offers a wealth of experiences for every adventurer and history enthusiast. Now, let's celebrate Peru's wonders with a poetic tribute and a melodic song. Poem. In the land of ancient echoes, where history unfolds, Peru's wonders beckon, stories yet untold. Machu Picchu, a city in the sky. Mystical ruins that make spirits fly. Sacred valleys embrace, a tapestry divine. Pisac's secrets hidden, in ruins, they enshrine. The Amazon's green heart, a symphony of life. Indigenous spirits, a harmony so rife. Chorus. Oh, Peru, land of awe and mystery. From Andean peaks to the Amazon symphony. Nazca's lines etched in desert sand. Lake Titicaca, a sacred land. Colca Canyon's grandeur, a sight to behold. Lima's vibrant rhythm, stories to be told. Huacachina's oasis, where dunes meet the sky. Arequipa's charm, volcanic stone so high. Chorus. Oh, Peru, land of awe and mystery. From Andean peaks to the Amazon symphony. Paracas coastal wonders, nature's delight. Chan Chan's ancient whispers, standing strong in the night. Bridge. In Peru's embrace, history comes alive. From ancient Incan treasures to cultures that thrive. Let us wander and explore, embrace the unknown. In Peru's enchanting beauty, our hearts are flown. Song. Verse 1. In Peru's mountains, where the Incas reigned. Machu Picchu's glory, forever sustained. Cusco's charm, a city of old. A tapestry of stories yet to be told. Chorus. Oh, Peru, land of dreams and lore. Sacred valleys treasures, forevermore. The Amazon's jungle, a symphony untamed. In Peru's embrace, we're forever changed. Verse 2. Lake Titicaca, where the waters meet the sky. Floating islands and cultures passing by. Colca Canyon's majesty, a sight to behold. Condors soaring high, their stories unfold. Bridge. In Lima's streets, a vibrant beat. A culinary journey, a sensory treat. Huacachina's sands, a desert's embrace. Adventures await, a thrilling chase. Chorus. Oh, Peru, land of dreams and lore. Paracas wonders, forevermore. Chan Chan's echoes, ancient whispers told. In Peru's enchantment, memories unfold. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.